Hey everyone, in today's video I'm tackling a full home reset, cleaning my living room, kitchen and bathroom, plus taking down all the Christmas decorations. It's a 2-day cleaning marathon and of course my little helper Ivy Jane joins me along the way. If you love satisfying cleaning videos with cozy vibes, this one is for you. Once the laundry was going, I moved on to the kitchen. I tackled the dishes, wiped down the counters, and gave everything a much needed refresh. Really, there's just something about a clean kitchen that instantly makes the home feel better. So I hope you enjoyed this segment of my cleaning routine. Next, I move on to the living room, clearing up clutter, wiping down surfaces, and making the space feel fresh and cozy again. I love seeing everything come together after a deep clean. And of course, being a mom means cleaning isn't a straight shot to the finish line. So I took a break to feed my daughter and spend some time with her before getting back to it. Cleaning and mom life, tell me about it. Definitely a balancing act. After vacuuming the living room, I then realized that I missed the stove, so I moved on to give the stove a proper clean. Please let me know in the comment section below if there's a specific order to which you clean your house. I don't have a certain order. I just clean as I feel. Sometimes I start from the kitchen, then the living room, or sometimes the living room to the kitchen. So let me know in the comment section below if there's a specific pattern or a specific order that can motivate you to get your house cleaned. Before ending the first day, I went back to fold the dry clothes and put them away. So I got the laundry done, kitchen done, and the living room looking spotless. I feel like a champion. The second day, it was time to take down the Christmas decorations. As much as I love the holiday season, it's always a good feeling to declutter and make space for the new year. I carefully packed everything away, making sure it's ready for the new year. After that, I tackled the bathroom deep clean, making sure I have my gloves on. Please always make sure you have your gloves on when you're dealing with these harsh detergents. So I proceeded to scrub the sink, the toilet, wiping down the mirrors and the cupboards and making everything sparkle. It's such a small space, yeah, but keeping it clean makes a huge difference. And that's a wrap on this 2-day cleaning reset. It feels so good to have everything fresh and organized again. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below what's your least favorite chore. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Deuces.